Hi there, this is Jacob Nash, Algebra Lessons, and this is Unit 7, Lesson 3, on knowing if two functions are inverse functions. So, we already know what it's like to have one function and find the inverse. We also know what it's like to know if the inverse is a function, but when you're given two, how do you know if they both are inverse functions? We've looked at this before, but just to review, because this is important for our logarithm and exponential function lessons coming up. We need to know how to use composition, and so this looks like fog, but that's just that circle looking thing, or that's just a composition symbol. So if that doesn't make sense, basically it's you put in a different function in the place of x. That's what that means. So if you had f of g, then that means you put the whole g function into the x of the f. So hopefully that makes sense. Or opposite if it was g of f. So let's see, that's how you can know if they're inverse. And if they are inverse, then once you do that, the answer would be x. If it's not x, then they're not inverse functions. So let's see, are f of x and g of x inverse functions? So let's do that. So we can either put g of x in the place of x for the f, or we can put f of x, this, in here. It doesn't really matter what you do, but let's just put f of x in the place of g. So if we're doing that, then we have 1/3 something, because we're replacing x with this, minus 3, and that something is 3x minus 9. Then you distribute this. 1/3 times 3, 1, so just x. 1/3 times 9 is plus 3. And then you still have this minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 is 0, so it's basically just x plus 0, which is really just x. So since x is our answer, then yes, they are inverse functions. That is how you figure out if things are inverse functions. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.